Hi Trader Universe, if you're having trouble accessing the Binance website due to blocking or the app not being available on the Play Store, you can use the alternative link I've provided in the video description, or you can scan the barcode in this video. But if you want to open it manually via Google Chrome, first, open Google Chrome. Go to the Settings menu. Select Privacy and Security. In the DNS section, change the setting to Google DNS. After that, close Chrome and try clicking the registration link again. Once the registration link opens, please enter your email or phone number. Most importantly, don't select Register as Entity, as that is specifically for companies. After that, continue. And don't forget to enter the referral code to get a $200 rebate voucher. Complete the registration process and complete identity verification, KYC. Once completed, you can download the Binance app from the link in the description or scan the barcode in this video. You can claim your voucher in the top left menu, then select the Rewards Hub. There, you can also complete other tasks to earn additional bonuses. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.